In this video I will show you how to automatically send a reminder email when a deadline date is coming up within the next 7 days, and a separate email when it's already overdue, using Power Automate. As an example, we will use a simple test Excel file with a description, department, priority, deadline date, and email column. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Go to Power Automate and click on Create in the left menu. Choose Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, for example Upcoming Deadline Reminder. Set the repeat to 1 day, and set the start time you prefer, for example 6 a.m. Click Create to open the flow editor. Step 2. Add the list rows present in a table action. Click on New Step and search for Excel Online Business. Select the action called List Rows Present in a Table. Set the location to SharePoint, select your site, your document library, and then select your test Excel file. Finally, select the table inside the test Excel file. This action will retrieve all the rows from your table every time the flow runs. Step 3. Add an Apply to Each loop. Click New Step and search for Apply to Each. In the Select an Output field, click in the box and select value from the dynamic content. This will make the flow loop through every single row in your test Excel file one by one. Step 4. Inside the Apply to Each loop, click Add an Action and search for Condition. All the expressions used in this step can be copied directly from the description below. First, make sure the condition is put on, and, in the left field of the condition, click on Expression and type the expression as shown on screen. This converts the Excel date serial number into a real date and formats it as year, month, day. The only thing that can be different on your end is the column name. In this example we use deadline date, so make sure to update that part of the expression to match your own column name. Set the operator to is greater than or equal to. In the right field, click on Expression and type the expression as shown on screen. This formats today's date in the same way. In this second row, use the same deadline date expression on the left. Set the operator to is less than or equal to. On the right, type the expression as shown on screen that adds 7 days to today. You can change 7 to the amount of days you like. This flow will now only continue when the deadline date falls between today and 7 days from now. Step 5. Add a Send an Email action in the True branch. In the True branch of the condition, click Add an Action and search for Send an Email. Use Office 365 Outlook and select Send an Email v2. In the To field, use dynamic content from the email column in Excel table. For the subject, type something like Upcoming Deadline. In the body, write a friendly reminder message and use dynamic content to add the description, the department, and the priority from your Excel row. For the deadline date field, do not use the raw dynamic content value because that will show the Excel serial number again. Instead, click on Expression and use the same deadline date expression as the left side of the condition, as shown on screen. Step 6. Add a second condition to check if the deadline date is overdue. Still inside the Apply to Each loop, click Add an Action and search for Condition again. In the left and right fields, use the same expressions as the first row of the previous condition, only the operator will be different this time. Set the operator to is less than instead of is greater than or equal to. Step 7. Add a Send an Email action for the Overdue branch. In the True branch of the second condition, click Add an Action and search for Send an Email. Use Office 365 Outlook and select Send an Email v2. In this example we use the same body and To field as explained in the previous email step, with the email column from the table as the recipient. The only difference is the subject. Step 8. Save and test the flow. Click Save in the top right corner. Then click Test, select Manually and click Test again. Click Run Flow to trigger it right away. In this example we use our own email address in the email column of the test file, so the reminder and overdue emails land in our own inbox during testing. In this example, today is June 29th. That means deadline dates on June 26th, 27th, and 28th are already overdue and should trigger the overdue email, while deadline dates from June 29th today up to July 6 fall within the 7-day window and should trigger the upcoming reminder email. Open your run history to verify that both conditions were evaluated correctly for each row, and that each row received the correct email based on its deadline date. You have now built a fully automated flow that checks your Excel file in SharePoint every day, sends a reminder email to the right person whenever a task is coming up within the next 7 days, and sends a separate alert whenever a deadline date has already passed. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial.